proven strategies of the wealthy. In today's video, we will be giving you the top 10 strategies for rapid financial growth. Here's what we'll cover: investment insights, budgeting and saving techniques, and income generation strategies. So get prepared, fellow trailblazers. This is Luxury Explored, the ultimate destination for those seeking the most refined luxuries in life, serving connoisseurs worldwide. Before delving further, ensure to like, subscribe, and join us for our regular, engaging, and informative videos. Becoming wealthy typically happens gradually, even though the idea of instantly becoming a millionaire might be appealing. While speculation, inheritance, or lottery wins seem like rapid routes to riches, the most practical way to swiftly build wealth is by setting a smart path toward long-term growth. Saving and investing early is crucial because your money has the potential to grow exponentially through compounding, which is the true key to creating wealth. In this video, we'll explore 10 methods to swiftly boost your net worth without assuming undue risks. Number 1. Save money. Accumulating wealth necessitates having funds to invest, making it essential to initiate saving as soon as you start earning. Therefore, prioritizing saving as much money as possible should take precedence in any plan aimed at building wealth. Financial advisors often advocate for the pay yourself first approach, where a portion of your income is set aside immediately upon receipt before any expenditures, including bills. While this strategy might initially seem counterintuitive, allocating money to savings before addressing expenses, it effectively prioritizes your long-term financial security over immediate costs. Implementing this method instills disciplined financial habits that yield significant benefits in the future. Despite potentially reducing discretionary spending, this technique facilitates rapid wealth accumulation and the compounding of savings over time. Number 2. Don't be too conservative. Creating substantial wealth involves finding a balance between your willingness to take risks and employing prudent investment strategies. Being overly cautious can restrict the growth of your wealth, just as excessive speculation can jeopardize your savings. Strategic risks, such as more aggressive investments or venturing into entrepreneurship, are imperative for aiming at significant financial success. Relying solely on investments like treasury bills, for instance, might result in a real return that's negative when factoring in taxes and inflation. Diversifying your investment portfolio across stocks, real estate, cryptocurrency, or initiating your own business can provide exposure to potentially higher returns. However, it's crucial to recognize that speculative investments come with increased risks. Number 3. Buy dividend-paying stocks. Although dividend-paying stocks might not initially appear thrilling or a rapid means to generate wealth, they actually offer an effective avenue for accessing a consistent and gradually expanding income alongside capital gains. The Dividend aristocrats, which encompass renowned, established companies in the S&P 500 index like Coca-Cola and McDonald's, exemplify this strategy. These companies have consistently increased their dividends for a minimum of 25 consecutive years, signaling their stability and reliability as investment options. Investors who acquired shares in these companies 25 years ago are currently reaping substantial, effective yields on their initial investment. When coupled with the potential for capital gains, dividend aristocrats can form a robust foundation for wealth accumulation over time. While they may lack the thrill of more volatile or high-growth investments, dividend-paying stocks offer investors a dependable and steady source of income and returns, particularly for those prioritizing long-term wealth accumulation. Number 4. Buy an SP 500 index fund. The S&P 500 index serves as a benchmark tracking the performance of 500 large-cap U.S. stocks, representing around 80% of the U.S. equity market capitalization. While it doesn't guarantee profits, it has shown an exceptional capacity to create substantial long-term wealth. What surprises many investors is that, despite the stock market being perceived as risky, it has never resulted in a loss over any 20-year period. This isn't to deny significant fluctuations and volatility in shorter spans, but historically, those who have held stocks for extended periods have seen positive returns. Since its inception, the S&P 500 index has averaged an annual return of over 10%, enduring various economic political cycles, financial crises, and market shocks. This demonstrates that investing in the S&P 500 index offers a favorable risk-reward ratio over time, especially for long-term investors capable of weathering short-term market fluctuations. Number 5. Buy a rental property. Generating passive income stands as a pivotal strategy for swiftly and enduringly building wealth, and owning rental properties ranks among the most effective methods to accomplish this. With a well-managed rental property, you'll receive a consistent and dependable monthly income with minimal additional effort demanded on your part. While finding tenants and managing occasional maintenance tasks are necessary, your income essentially runs on autopilot. Unlike fixed mortgage payments, rental income holds the potential to steadily increase as rental rates rise. Consequently, your tenants effectively contribute to paying off your mortgage while concurrently growing the value of your property. While owning rental properties might necessitate upfront investment and ongoing management, it remains a highly effective means of generating passive income and steadily accumulating wealth over time. Number 6. Keep asking for raises. Over time, the cost of living naturally increases, and as you gain more expertise, becoming a more valuable asset to your employer, it becomes increasingly crucial to secure regular salary increments. Keeping pace with inflation and receiving fair compensation for your skills is vital. Continuously badgering your boss for pay raises isn't wise, but leveraging appropriate moments to substantiate salary adjustments based on your contributions is essential. It's worth noting that those who refrain from requesting salary raises are less likely to receive them. Therefore, advocating for fair compensation at opportune times stands as a valuable method to enhance your wealth. Number 7. Start a business. A significant number of the world's billionaires have either inherited their wealth or founded their own companies. Inheriting wealth is often seen as more of a stroke of luck than a strategic plan, making it an unreliable path to wealth building. Conversely, starting a successful company can be a more viable route to generating substantial wealth. However, entrepreneurship comes with high risk, with many new businesses failing within their initial years. Despite this risk, a prosperous business venture holds the potential for immense long-term rewards. To thrive in entrepreneurship, it's vital to have a strong business concept that stands out in the market, secure ample funding to support the venture, and assemble a skilled team to bring the idea to life. Number 8. Broaden your education and skill set. To maximize your earnings while employed by someone else, making yourself indispensable to your employer is key. Broadening your knowledge and skills across various domains is a potent strategy. A diverse skill set showcases your value as an employee, heightening your appeal to prospective employers and elevating your likelihood of commanding higher salaries. Additionally, concentrating on cultivating specialized skills in high-demand sectors, particularly in technology and finance, holds significant importance. These industries often feature lucrative positions and promising growth trajectories. By refining your expertise in these realms, you position yourself for superior job prospects and increased earning potential. Number 9. Set up multiple streams of income. Building substantial wealth can pose a challenge if you rely solely on a single income source. Even with significant savings, accumulating substantial wealth might take years or decades. To expedite wealth growth, establishing multiple streams of income is crucial. One common approach involves starting a side hustle that complements your skills and passions. Alternatively, freelancers can expand their income by acquiring more clients across diverse industries. Creating additional income sources offers several advantages. Firstly, it generates extra funds that can be directed toward wealth building or diverse investment opportunities. Secondly, it diversifies income streams, reducing vulnerability to financial shocks. For instance, if your primary income falters, diversified streams can serve as fallbacks until a new job is secured. When seeking a side hustle, align it with your skill set and interests. Number 10. Live within your means. Maintaining a budget that emphasizes saving and investment forms the bedrock of long-term financial stability. Carefully evaluating spending patterns to identify areas for potential expense reduction is crucial. By crafting and adhering to a budget, you gain control over expenses, ensuring ample coverage for essential costs while contributing to savings and investment accounts. Regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget to align with changes in income and expenses is vital as you pursue financial goals. Flexibility in modifying spending and saving patterns becomes necessary to stay on course. That's a wrap for this video. Accelerate your wealth. Top 10 strategies for rapid financial growth. If you learned something, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. This is Luxury Explored.